Today's Ramp It Up is all about finding area and volume. Remember, we're finding area for triangles, rectangles, parallelograms, and trapezoids, and finding the volume of rectangular prisms. With every area and volume problem, you're going to write this step every single time. The reason we do this is because we want to make sure that when we go back to check our work, we can easily see where we made a mistake. If you're not writing down the formula and completing the steps in the correct order, then it's going to be hard to determine where you've messed up. Let's take a look at this rectangle. It has a base of 5 feet and a height of 6 feet. We use the area formula. Area equals base times height. So we plug in the numbers. Area equals 5 times 6. And we know that 5 times 6 is 30, so area equals 30 feet squared. Okay, let's look at the area of a triangle. The only difference between an area and a triangle. Our next shape is a trapezoid. Trapezoids can be a little bit more tricky because the formula is a little longer. However, once you plug the numbers in, it's not too bad. We start off with area equals 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times height. So what we're really doing is we're finding the average of the bases. It's also important when you're looking at a trapezoid, if you see measures on the side where the red X's are, those numbers are not there to help you find the area. You do not need to multiply, subtract, add, or divide with those numbers. So we have our three numbers that we're using. We're using area equals 1/2. The two bases are 3 and 5, so we put 3 plus 5. We're going to multiply that times 5. We're going to follow the order of operations rules. We're going to start with our parentheses. So area equals 1/2. 3 plus 5 is 8 times 5. And we're going to do 1/2 of 8 is 4, so area equals 4 times 5. And that gives us area equals 20 meters squared. Alright, and the last thing we have to go over is volume. Volume formula is volume equals area of the base times height. We use a capital B to represent area of the base. So the area shape for this base is a rectangle, so we're going to use a rectangle area formula, base times height, and then times the height of the rectangular prism. So we have volume equals B times H times H. When we plug the numbers in, we're doing volume equals 2 times 3 times 6. We're going to start with our parentheses. 2 times 3 is 6, so we have volume equals 6 times our height of 6. That gives us volume equals 36 centimeters cubed.